Replacing door hardware and locks is a simple DIY project that instantly improves your home's appearance and security. Whether you're updating old knobs for style or installing new locks for safety, you can do it in less than an hour with just a screwdriver. Here's how to replace door hardware and locks the easy way. Start by choosing your new hardware. Door sets come in several styles: knobs, levers, or handle sets, and in finishes like brushed nickel, matte black, or brass. Make sure you pick one that matches your door's existing hole size and back set, the distance from the edge of the door to the center of the knob hole. Most modern locks are adjustable to fit standard doors. Begin by removing the old knob or handle. Unscrew the 2 screws on the interior side, then pull both halves apart. Next, remove the latch assembly from the edge of the door by taking out the 2 screws there. If you're replacing a deadbolt, unscrew it from the inside and slide it out. Now install the new latch mechanism. Make sure the slanted edge of the latch faces the direction the door closes. Insert it into the hole and secure it with the provided screws. Don't over-tighten. You don't want to strip the wood. Next, line up the new handles or knobs on both sides of the door. Slide the exterior piece through the latch opening first, then attach the interior piece. Tighten the screws evenly so the hardware sits flush against the door. Test the handle to make sure it turns smoothly and retracts the latch properly. For deadbolts, insert the bolt into the top hole and secure it with screws. Then attach the exterior keyed cylinder and the interior thumb turn assembly. Align the connecting bar so both parts fit together properly before tightening the screws. Once installed, test the lock several times to make sure it operates smoothly. If your door doesn't close or lock easily, check the strike plate on the door frame. Over time, alignment can shift slightly. You can adjust it by loosening the screws, moving the plate up or down, and retightening. If necessary, file the openings slightly to fit the latch better. A few pro tips. Always keep the door open while replacing hardware. You don't want to accidentally lock yourself out. Use a power screwdriver on low torque for faster installation, and check that all screws are snug but not overly tight. If you're upgrading for security, consider installing a smart lock. Many models fit into standard deadbolt holes and offer keyless entry, smartphone control, and temporary access codes for guests. They're a great modern upgrade that adds both convenience and safety. Once you're done, clean the hardware with a soft cloth to remove fingerprints and give it a polished finish. Replacing door hardware and locks is one of those small improvements that makes a big difference. It enhances your home's look, function, and security all at once.